Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, JOLAS Tees. I am Aretha, your host. And so, yeah, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial. If you've never heard of direct transfer film, it's simply an image on a piece of film that you can just press and go, like what I'm wearing tonight for my mom's memorial. I made these on direct transfer film when my mom went to be with the Lord almost a year ago. This month on the 25th, my mom will have been gone to be with the Lord on this in October. I miss my mom dearly. If you visit my channel before, you've heard me talk about my mom a lot. She stayed with me for 27 years until the Lord called her home, and may her soul rest gently, and I'm sure she is. So yeah, this is a direct to film. I'm gonna make this image right here. I'm gonna press it on a 100% cotton t-shirt. I'll show you. I do believe this one is a Gildan 100% cotton medium. I am such a coffee lover, guys. I truly am a coffee lover. So it says on here, I am a fall and coffee kind of girl, and that is so me. So this is because the fall is one of my favorite seasons. You'll be seeing me create a lot of simple do-it-yourself videos, and most times I'm using the Cricut Design Space. To be honest, that is really the only software that I use because Cricut is so friendly. I do have the membership, the Cricut Access, so you get access to tons of text, tons of shapes, elements, and things of that sort. But tonight, this tutorial is so simple. It's so simple. So all you'll need is your t-shirt or whatever you're going to press it on, your image on your direct transfer film. And I've never used this one like with the like a household iron. I'm not real sure. Maybe I'll come back and do another tutorial. Well, I'll show you with an iron, but I use my heat press. I've had my heat press for a while, and it really does get a good press on there. And yeah, so give me just a second. I'll turn my camera around and I'll show you how it is. I'm gonna turn the heat press on, and I'll heat it up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. All right. Give me just a second, and I'll turn my camera around, guys. And thank you for watching this video. This is my heat press. I've showed you before. It's pretty big. I think this is 15 by 15, the plate. It's now heating up. We have a few more minutes until we get to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. I just wanted to show you guys my heat press as it's heating up. I had to switch cameras. At first I was on my laptop. Now I had to switch to a different camera. So yeah, it's gonna heat up, and then I'm gonna show you. Now when you're, it's heating up now. That's the timer. Let me show you. It has a timer on there. Those are my wall of art, guys. So yeah. Now, when you're before you put the direct transfer film, the image on your t-shirt, you always want to make sure you're getting the extra moisture out of your shirt. So what I do is I just press it for about 8 seconds. I press it for about 8 seconds. I use these Teflon pillows as well because it helps with not getting the extra crease underneath there whenever you're pressing it. So I'll just put this on here underneath. I'll press it for about 8 seconds. And when you're putting on your transfer, you can use one of those rulers, those metric things. I think it's a gourmet ruler or whatever. I don't know what you call those, but I've seen them on some other content creators' videos. I just use a regular measuring tape. But you want to cover it with a Teflon sheet if you have something like this, or you can use one of these wax paper. But this gives it a full coverage, so I always use the large Teflon sheet. And let it, press it for about 8 seconds, okay? Take the moisture out. Just like that. And you pull it off. And then when you bring it here on your table or your desk, wherever your workstation is. Let me see if you guys can, let me angle the camera so you can see it. I just wanted to show you all this. If you have not done one of these transfer films, they're really cool. I really do a mix of different I'm kind of stumbling over my words tonight. I use vinyl, I use direct transfer, I create them myself. It just depends on what I'm doing. This t-shirt is for me, so I thought this would be cool to just do a simple transfer film. So you want to make sure that it's measured out on your I'm looking for my measuring tape. Oh yes, cool. I did a University of Houston inspired. Where's my measuring tape? I can't find it, but I'll eyeball this. This is it's pretty simple. So you want to get it like 3 fingers down or even 4 fingers down. Okay, so I want to make sure it's 3.5 inches down, and I'm going to measure it from the top of the image, this little cream section on the shirt in the middle. I want to move it up just a little bit. And if you hear music in the background, I do not own the rights. I'm always listening to Pandora. I have it on holiday music already. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this image. I love it. I cannot wait to show you what it's going to look like. So, and what I do is I measure it crossways on each side. I do believe this is like a little 5 inches over. Let's see what this one is. Yeah, that's about right in the middle. So we're going to press this. Let me turn the camera back around. We're going to press this about 20 seconds or so. It's a cool peel, so don't take it off until it's completely cool. Okay, can you see it? Wonderful Christmas sun. And this is what it looks like on a heat press. Cover it with your Teflon sheet. You see the timer? Hi, how are you guys doing? Happy evening to you. Leave me a pumpkin emoji. Let me know if you love this video. The timer's going. I have to take it off. It's going to be a cool peel. Let it cool off all the way. So while we're waiting for this to cool off, I'm going to show you the University of Houston sweatshirt that I made for a little sweetie. Isn't that beautiful? It's beautiful. It says, just a U of H girl, University of Houston. And of course, the University of Houston, they're Cougars. I'll show you. Let me open it up all the way to show you. And if you want to wear some inspiration, go to my website at jolastees.com. You can message me there, send me an email, and we'll get you something. Shipping is free, okay, guys? Isn't that adorable? She's going to love it. I told her already, but and then I put our logo. Oh, yeah, let me show you on the back. And there's our logo, JOLAS. Believe, faith, freedom. So let's get this bad boy off. It's still kind of warm. Let me fold this back up while we're waiting. I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend. Tomorrow is Sunday. Time to go to worship at your local church, in your neighborhood, wherever you are, wherever you're going to worship. I pray that you're going to be ready. Go there with an expected heart, ready for the Lord to do something amazing in your life. Not just tomorrow, but every day. So I'm going to give that to her. Okay. We ready? I'm a fall and coffee kind of girl. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Get ready. Look at it, guys. Wow. So if the image comes up, you know that it did not cool off. It has to cool all the way. And then you take it back to the heat press 1 or 2 more seconds to make sure that it is set in well. Now this time, I'm going to use this wax paper and the Teflon sheet. I use both of them to make sure that it's set in well. For a few more seconds, guys, and that is it. And this is what the film looks like if you haven't seen it before. Okay, let it. And I'm such a OCD person. I'm always cleaning up as I craft. I craft and clean. Double C. Clean and craft. All at the same time. I like to keep my workspace tidy. All right. Don't forget to leave me a pumpkin, a fall, a leaf, or something in the chat. Oh my God, it is beautiful. Look at that, guys. I cannot wait. I'm probably going to wear this to work on Mondays. Isn't that adorable? And that is it. That's it, guys. That is it. We are done with that one. So thank you for hanging out with me on this video, and come back on Monday. We'll be here for Motivational Live on Mondays, okay, at 8:15. All right. So you guys have a great rest of your evening, and we will see you on Monday, okay? All right. Take good care of yourself. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others, okay? Wear some inspiration. Go to our website at jolastees.com and order. Fill up your cart, guys. We love you. Love you. Bye.